Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Fusion 360 for EV enclosure CAD for chargers, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Autodesk website. Create an Autodesk account if you don't have one already. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the products section on the home page. Locate Fusion 360 in the list of Autodesk products. Click on the Fusion 360 link to access its product page. Look for the Download Free Trial button if you are new to Fusion 360. Click on it to start your download. After the download is complete, open the installation file. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Fusion 360 on your computer. Once the installation is finished, launch Fusion 360 from your Applications menu. Log in with your Autodesk account credentials. If prompted, choose your preferred workspace or project type. Upon entering Fusion 360, go to the Data panel located on the left side of the screen. Create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Name your project something relevant to your EV enclosure CAD designs. Within this project, click on Create and select New Design to start a new CAD model. Familiarize yourself with the workspace, including the toolbar and panel layouts. To enhance your design for chargers, consider uploading typical EV enclosure references. Go to the Insert menu and choose Insert Mesh or Insert CAD Data to add reference models. This will help you visualize and scale your enclosure accurately. Once your references are in place, start sketching the basic layout of the enclosure. Use the tools in the toolbar to draw shapes, extrude, and modify the design according to your specifications. Remember to save your work regularly by clicking the Save icon at the top. As you progress, don't hesitate to explore tutorials available within Fusion 360 for additional guidance. Utilize community forums for specific questions or tips on EV enclosures. When finished, export your design by going to the File menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.